Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys. I am Greg. We're in the ZR2. Today we have a fun, easy to do project for you guys from Range Technology. We have the AMP 2.0 Throttle Booster from Range Technology. You guys can get yours by p3.com, discount code Blue Garage. I'm going to show you guys what it's all about. We've already got it installed. I will go through here in a little bit and show you how to install it yourself. I've got it on the extreme setting 5, 200% throttle boost. Pretty crazy. So let me show you what that's all about. Let's get started.
Let's go, baby.
We're gonna unbox here. Again, the AMP 2.0 Throttle Booster from Range Technology. Pretty simple setup here, guys. We have some batteries in here. We have the module itself. We have the controller up here. The module will plug in just above the gas pedal of your vehicle. Key to that is make sure it's out of the way. It's not gonna get stuck or pinched anywhere where it's gonna hold your throttle down. Then it'll be really responsive. Here's your batteries. We'll get into that here in a second. Your wire harness. You have some adhesive Velcro for your actual controller and some zip ties to zip tie your module up underneath, away in a safe position, as I said, away from the gas pedal. And then some alcohol wipes to clean off your dashboard wherever you're gonna adhere your controller to. I kind of have an idea where I want to place mine. It is Bluetooth, no wires need to be run for this, so you can put it anywhere you want. I have an idea where I'm going to put mine. We'll see how things play out once we get to the actual install. So yeah, pretty simple process, guys. Everything's right here, making our job super easy to do. So let's get started. Before I disconnect, I am going to move the seat all the way back, because whenever you disconnect the battery, you can't do that. I've made that mistake in a couple other videos, so we'll do that. It gives us more room to work. Just remove the floor mat. Got a brand new white shirt on from Range Tech, so thank you guys for sending this out. Don't want to get it dirty. Just remove the floor mat. Pop the hood. Let's go. Let's walk past it. Gonna go get a rag to tuck in underneath. The Switch Pro keeps it pretty tight in there. So first thing we gotta do is connect our harness here, disconnect it, and I'll show why here in a second. Now that that's disconnected, we're gonna remove the original wiring from the throttle. So with this camera, I'm gonna do my best right here. We're gonna pop off the red lock. I'm gonna set this back down for you. And let's see if I can get it in a position where you can see. And as I do that, we're going to press down on the black button and push up. Easier said than done sometimes, but this end of your harness, it is the Rev 04, labeled Rev 04, has the white male end. It's going to plug into your module. So push it in, you'll hear it click, lock it in place. It's already locked in place, we're good to go. We have the opposite end, which is Rev 03. That's gonna plug into your pedal up top, where the original harness sat. Okay, I did not feel it click, but it apparently did because it doesn't want to come off. We're good, we're locked. And I'm gonna press the red lock down. Now that that is done right here, we're locked in there. Now that that's done, we can plug into our actual module. What's nice is two different colors, white to white, black to black. Simple as that, guys. Now, obviously, all these wires, we need to make sure that two things happen. They are tucked away, safely away from the throttle or the gas pedal itself. That way it doesn't impede the actual movement, which could be extremely dangerous. Not tucked behind either. You gotta be able to, you know, put the pedal down all the way and not pinching it so it doesn't come up all the way. So pretty simple. Zip ties are provided. We'll get to that here in a second. Now that we are plugged in, what we can do is program it first and get everything set up, and then we can zip tie everything. So let me reconnect my battery. We're gonna do the pedal relearn process. So on the app, press pedal relearn. Instructions tell us to do it 3 times within 30 seconds. And that's press the pedal all the way to the floor 3 times within 30 seconds. So we're relearning now. 1, 2, 3. All right, confirm LED change from red to orange. It did. We'll complete that. And now we got to do our switch. So doing our switch. Goes full, hands off. It's going to pulse, and I'm going to pump the pedal as it pulses. Now our module changed to green. Now that that's done, we are good to go. We can zip tie everything up, put our switch where we need it. There's 2 places I like. I like kind of right here on my Arango design bracket or mount for my Switch Pros, or right up here. I think I'm gonna go up here first. If I end up changing my mind, I have a second place. So we'll go up here. But first, let's zip tie the actual module out of the way. In order to zip tie this, we want to pull the wires up behind this panel on the driver's side. You could actually even tuck it up there if you wanted, or tuck it behind, and it would be fine. However, just to be safe with all that loose wiring, you can zip tie it. So I'm going to tuck it back there first, and any wiring that I see that is still loose, I can zip tie. All right, now that that's done, nothing is going to impede my gas pedal. We're good, everything's tucked away. 1 zip tie did the trick. So we have more zip ties left over for our next project whenever we need them. Now we can do the actual switch. All right. On just like that, and then where'd my wipe go? Here we go. Alcohol wipe, just make sure no dust, debris, anything is left over here. It's gonna keep it from adhering properly. Go off, and make sure it's right side up. Easy day, guys. There you go. The amped 2.0 throttle booster. There's actually, the instructions say throttle booster, website says pedal controller. So either way, another easy install from Range Technology, guys. You guys can get yours at buyp3.com with the discount code BLUEGARAGE. Yeah, so this changes this module, the amped 2.0 pedal controller, changes your throttle response. Much like the Pulsar LT did on my previous truck, you could change the sensitivity, except there's many more settings that you can change on here. So right now it's at 200%, and I mean, this truck wants to go, guys. It's crazy. I was barely on it, maybe about halfway right there. Again, we're going through a neighborhood, so we're just trying some things out, just testing this out. I'll get to a back road here in a second. We'll really step on it. Right now, driving the truck at a 200% throttle response setting, which is, let's see, this is level 5. It's considered extreme according to their instructions. There are 5 preset settings already. 1 is economy at 80%. 2 is stock, 100%. Let me make this turn, I'll go over the rest of them. 3 is drive, 150%. Sport, 175 is setting 4. And then 5 is extreme at 200%. And then 6, 7, and 8 are all custom. So you can make them what you want. And you can modify those through the app itself. Once we get out of this residential area, and we'll give it a go at 200. No changes to the exhaust. It's all going to be in the throttle. I mean, obviously, what it means is basically you touch the gas, you're going to have more of a response or less of a response from the pedal. So we're on our hometown test track right here where we shot our AWE video for the exhaust. All I'm going to do here is just a couple runs back and forth, just see the difference once we get past this little residential road here, and we'll see how noticeable of a change the throttle response is.
So you currently have it at 200?
Currently set to setting 5. Let me double verify. I'll come to a stop here, show you. Yeah, setting 5, as you saw. What's nice is it doesn't stay lit, so it's not gonna be glowing at night. I kind of like how it's like very sleek. Nice to hide right there, perfect spot for it. Here's 200. Wow, that was, yeah, that was insane. That, I know watching it on video probably does zero justice for the viewer, and I apologize for that. I'm doing my best to explain what that was, but wow. I mean, I have traction control on. I'd be curious to shut that off and do it again and see what the difference is. We're at a dead stop again. Setting 5 is set, which is 200% or extreme according to the instructions. So let's just give it a go. I'm just gonna punch the gas. Traction control is off this time, and I'm sure we'll peel out quite a bit here. This thing's a machine. Wow. Guys, you got to get this for your truck. I mean, I might drive around 200% all the time. This is pretty badass. It is a game changer. All right, just for sake of the video, I'm going to put it back at setting 2. Which is boring stock mode, 100%, you know. But hey, everybody has their own setting that they like. I will find mine, you know, mess with the settings a little bit more, but I want to put it at 100% just the stock setting to show you the difference, or do my best to convey the difference, and we'll go from there. Okay. Again, setting 1 is 80%. Setting 2 right here is stock, or 100%. Dead stop. I'm gonna hit the gas, traction control off, and we'll go. Same pull. I don't know, that still feels, maybe the truck's just that powerful. It felt pretty strong, obviously. More pull at 200, it wouldn't hurt. Guys, the pull is amazing. I mean, additional 100% of throttle responsivity. I mean, or throttle response. It is amazing. It feels incredible. There's no way to put it to words because it's very noticeable. It's very substantial. So,
Video doesn't do it justice.
Yeah, the video probably will not do it justice. You got to get one for yourself. Buyp3.com. Discount code BLUEGARAGE. get your DFM Disabler first, or same time, might as well get the pedal controller as well. So yeah, it's amazing. I might roll around with 200% extreme just for a little while until I really see those MPGs go down. Right now, I've driven 4.1 miles and I am getting 7.1 miles per gallon. So I mean, it's part of the fun. You guys will probably knock on me or say something, you know, oh, gas mileage this or that. It's a truck. I didn't get it for gas mileage. I'm having fun, and as you can tell by a smile on my face, it's worth it. So I'm gonna try something real quick. I'll have Daniel shoot something. So see, I'm gonna just try to burn out right here. I think it does change the exhaust note too. So I'll put it in neutral real quick and just listen to the rev. It's definitely far more aggressive than it normally would sound. This again, setting 5, extreme, 200%. So more responsive, you get more of that deeper tone of exhaust note, which sounds awesome. Again, you guys want to know the rest of the setup, get in the description below. The cold air inductions, cold air intake, the AWE, OFG, dual bash guard exhaust, all of that, all the discount codes, all the stuff you need to know how this truck is built is in the description below. But adding the amped 2.0 pedal controller, game changer, guys. 2019 and newer trucks, got to get yours. Discount code BLUEGARAGE from buyp3.com. No brainer. Well, guys, that's a wrap. Another video. Huge shout out to Range Technology. Thank you guys for sending out the AMP 2.0 throttle controller. Love it. Couldn't be any happier. As you can tell by a smile on my face, this thing is awesome. You can feel that responsiveness right away. 200% level 5. Gonna be driving like this for a while, getting some smiles per gallon rather than miles per gallon, but it'll be worth it. Having a lot of fun out there. You guys can get yours at buyp3.com, discount code BLUEGARAGE. Don't forget to partner that up with the DFM Disabler. 2 for 1, guys. Can't beat it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys next time.